All right, let's go right now to Lauren and Dr. Ahluwalia.
Here with Dr. Ahluwalia, we're going to talk Emmys. Just kidding.
Can talk Emmys.
We can, right? Did you watch them last night? They were good. No, we're actually going to talk about inoculation, whooping cough, and how there was a huge epidemic last year, and it was because kids weren't getting inoculated. But now schools are saying, listen, if your child's not inoculated, you can't come to school.
Yeah, you know, that's why it happened, because as kids are getting less and less inoculated, more and more cases are surfacing. And last year we had almost an epidemic where we had 9,000 cases, which is the most since 1947. Isn't that crazy?
Well, people don't realize that that's why we didn't have it, because people were actually getting inoculated.
Exactly. You know, there's a concept of community immunity or herd immunity where a certain number of people need to be immunized to prevent spread of the disease. And we're falling below those thresholds where more and more kids are getting it.
That's a problem, because what, 10 kids died last year?
10 kids died last year.
Okay, so what is the danger of getting the shot?
Well, the danger of getting the shot is like any other shot, like a flu shot, right? So you'll have maybe a little feverish, maybe a little sore throat, maybe a little bit of pain in the area. That's it. We're not talking about major problems.
So what do you want to tell mothers or fathers out there, parents who say, oh, I don't want my child inoculated for whooping cough?
Right. Well, first of all, these are kids that are older. These are kids who are like 12 and 14. They don't have the same issues that some parents are worried about with
well, a lot of people
kids.
are talking about that getting inoculated would cause autism. It's never been proven.
Never been proven. There's no data to suggest that. So, but even if you had concerns like that, in older kids, there are no such concerns. So. Please get your kids inoculated, because they're exposing those infants who haven't been inoculated yet to have the problem. And all 10 kids who died were infants who hadn't been inoculated.
So it's really important for parents to get.
And you know, Lauren, it's interesting. You know, we treat all these diseases so lightly. Can you imagine polio coming back, or That's
why we have these shots,
exactly.
Right? Okay, we're getting the wrap, so we have to go. But we'll come back and we'll talk Emmys.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Lauren, thank you, Dr. Ahluwalia. Thank you.